In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription. If you've decided that Smartsheet is no longer meeting your needs, or if there's simply a better alternative for your requirements, this process will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth cancellation experience. Let's begin by making sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Smartsheet website. Enter your login details as you normally would to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your account icon, represented by a small image or possibly your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from this menu, select the option labeled Account. This will take you to a new page containing various settings related to your Smartsheet account. Now, you should focus your attention on something known as the Plan and Billing Info tab. It's here that you can view details of your current plan and any related billing information. Once you are on the Plan and Billing Info tab, you'll want to locate the option to Cancel Account. Generally, this will be clearly marked, but if you have trouble finding it, just keep an eye out for a button or link named Cancel or Cancel Account. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. This feedback can assist Smartsheet in improving their services, so it's often appreciated if you choose to provide some insight. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message, either on the website directly or via email. This message usually includes details such as when your account access will cease and what to expect next regarding any final billing or data you might wish to download or back up before the account is deactivated. As a final note, it's always helpful to double-check any important data you've stored on Smartsheet to ensure you've saved it elsewhere if needed. While most of the time, access is maintained up to your billing cycle's end, it's a good practice to be prepared, and that's it. You've now successfully navigated through canceling your Smartsheet subscription. Remember, should you decide to return in the future, setting up a new account is straightforward, and there's often support available to assist returning users. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions or need additional support, be sure to reach out to Smartsheet customer service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video made your cancellation process just that little bit easier.